Gawin mo outside. Touch some grass. Okay, lumabas ka ng bahay mo. Doon ka bumuo ng connection at hindi sa social media. Social media is just a fantasy world. Okay? Kaya nga nakaka-addict mag-doom scroll eh. Kasi feminine. Okay? Ang feminine energy, it heals you. Okay? Hini-heal ka niya. It makes you feel good. Anything that makes you feel good is feminine. Okay? It makes you, again, ang feminine energy, hindi masama yan. Nagiging masama lang yan kapag tumatambay ka dyan. Okay? Kapag sumusobra ka dyan. So, bilang lalaki, you want to enhance more your masculine energy. At hindi mo magagawa yun kung palagi kang nasa social media. So, lumabas ka. Okay? Do some masculine things. Do things that will make you proud. Challenge yourself. Okay? So, instead of you liking her pictures, instead of you doom scrolling sa social media, you should be focusing on your own mission and purpose. So, the masculine energy is defined by action and penetration. Instead na i-like mo yung story niya, which requires zero risk, walang challenge, ang gawin mo is mag-message ka o kausapin mo na lang sa personal. Yun na lang gawin mo. Kausapin mo sa personal, check mo kung gaano kataas yung interest level niya sa'yo.